Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys like my old accounts on like UKs and stuff. Accounts that used to be mine. But obviously I'm not gonna show you my backup and my main because you've already seen it. So the first account is Pika Girl. Okay. I don't know how that ain't working, but you know. So I made a Halloween account. But I'm sneaky. Don't ask about the user. It's weird. God, that was a long password. A lot of people kept texting me like, "Oh my God, why do you hack people?" Like no. See, this is a Halloween account, not a hacking account. I hate packets because I do. Who likes packers? Hackers, whatever. Not me. And on this account, I have a feeling we're going to level up because I have been on this account for 24 years. 24 months. So, yeah. Like, look, ready? Look at these messages. See? Stop trying to scare little kids, this girl said. I said, I'm not. This is, well, trying to be my Halloween costume. Well, love, it's not Halloween. Don't love me. I made it for Halloween from last year. Ugly. Sorry if I offended you, but I swear I don't pack his account. It was for my cousin because she went to be scared how my real account was. See, a lot of people thought I was a hacker. Yeah, this account is really old. Let's see. Ooh. I've definitely leveled up to level 9. Ooh. I like this color. Let's turn it to white or black. That's pretty. But then I like this as well. The hair boy. Oh my god, no. Guys. So yeah, this is that account. Now let's log out and go into a different one. Okay, guys. So we are logging into this account called... Oh my god, this account is so cringy. Like, guys, I was only like a little kid. Like, don't bully me, okay? So, this account is Princess Lover, as you could tell. This whole... I don't even want to talk about this. But I haven't been on this account for probably like 24 months as well. I am. So, we have leveled up to level 9, like all my other accounts. Like, let's pick this. That's pretty. So, I'm gonna choose this because let's pick some red and black. Oh my god, no, legit though, this is iron. Let's just do that because I'm so weird. Take a love my bay. I need to go a bay. My character is so ugly. Again, another weird account. So we're just gonna log out. Because mine not. Okay. So this is my American account. So if you wanna add me, you can. My username is the weirdest username ever. So this is my American account, by the way. So if you want to come and add me on it, you can do so. All you gotta do is just, you know, come follow me. Oh. Okay, this is the account. Looks chilled, I guess. This is the account. Let's go into messages, because we got some messages, because, you know, I don't know. No, go away. Okay. I'm probably gonna be like level 7. Oh, whoa. Am I leveled up yet? Yeah, let's do this in white. There's like in a pastel color. That's pretty. Okay. So this account is okay. I mean, you guys can add me on here. Boom, 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 pow. I'm gonna claim. Okay. So this is my other account that you guys can add me on the USA. So yeah. Now, the next account I got is Canada. So we're gonna log in to my Canada account. And if you guys know, when I was ages ago, and I used to have an account in the UK called Lola53139, but I got, I forgot the password. Oops. Well, Lola53139 is now on my Canada account, so you could come and add me on the Canada because you know you can. So here is my account. It looks a bit, I don't know. I've noticed I got all like the rare hair. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna try to level up to level 6. Probably will by now. Messages. So if you guys wanna add me on here, you can. Keep all these on. Oh, this was my friend. Oh my god, I'm so desperate for that one. Okay. My profile. This is gonna take ages for me to upload, so darn it. I'm leveled up, level 6. You could get these glasses in the shops, but you know, I'm down. Claim. Since when did I have this and this in here? These two were free res. Yeah, guys, so also somehow they already give me the outfit. Took all of them together. Ew, I don't like this hair size. So if you want to add me on Canada, this is my username. So yeah. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to and don't forget to add me on all these accounts if you guys want. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!